हेलो एवरीबॉडी वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मेरे चैनल में। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट सम वेरी यूजफुल टिप्स for you to understand English language and to speak it fluently. Okay, to start learning a new language, it is very important for you to be realistic. So the first point is that be realistic about your goal towards the language. Do not try to hurry up, do not try to hustle up. Okay, so do not expect your English to be very fluent or as good as any other native speaker, because often they tend to use some very difficult or the jargon words that we are not maybe aware of in our daily life, or they might have some very unique or very different idioms or phrases. So let's not compete with them, but then try to be realistic. Try to set your goals in a way that you can achieve it. Don't make it very hard for you. The second point is that you should not only start reading and listening, but also start practicing to speak, because you can get a lot of knowledge from books and through audiobooks and through various other mediums wherein you can use it for reading and listening, but then to practice with those words is also very important so that you can be comfortable with it, right? So, the only way to speak better is by speaking to yourself. You can look at the mirror, or you can record your voice in your mobile phone, and then you can listen back to it so that you can be comfortable with your own choice of words. The third thing is that whenever you get a chance, whenever you get time, just start practicing to speak English. Do not just pass it by, okay? So it would be better, and it would be the best thing to practice speaking every day. Just give 10 or 15 minutes to yourself. Whenever you get a chance to speak in front of public, speak with the people around you, just go ahead. Don't hesitate, okay? And ultimately, you are going to get the grasp of it. The fourth tip is, it would be amazing to connect with a native speaker or a friend who speaks in English so that you can practice with them, right? And of course, a friend can judge you also. So ask them to give you feedback. Let yourself free to getting criticism, okay, and getting positive feedback as well. So the fifth point is that never be afraid of making mistakes. You are learning something new. It's all right to make mistakes, right? We all make mistakes one or the other day. So, mistakes are a part of your learning phase. They tend to help you a lot. You get to know and you get to improve upon your errors, right? And this is how you can become better English speakers. Now, the sixth point is, try to use simple sentences when you are learning a language. Do not try to mug up hard words without getting comfortable, okay? Then slowly you can progress to more complex sentences. So to start from the very beginning, I would suggest that use simple words, use the synonyms that you can easily remember. Do not struggle to master the language in the beginning itself, and give yourself some time and practice. Okay, the next is, the seventh tip is, get a reliable English learning course. There are lots of courses available online, and you can have an amazing application also on your mobile phone, on your Android or Apple phone. And then having the right speaking course for English will motivate you, will accelerate your rate of learning. You can learn the language fluently. Now, the fifth is that make an effort to improve on pronunciation. I always stress on this because pronunciation will not only make you look smart, but you will sound smart and intelligent as well. So the way you pronounce certain word could be the reason your English speaking skill seems to be little off the track. So practice saying some words, some problematic words especially, properly, okay? Learn how to pronounce the word, practice the pronunciation of the word, listen to your own voice, listen to the voice of a native speaker. You can get the clips online, right? The ninth tip is, try saying something extra. Let's say someone is asking you something, you should not only just give a reply in just one sentence or a one word answer. You should give reply in complete sentence. Try to elaborate your answer. Try to be reasonable. Do not just give in one word answers like yeah, yes, sure, why not, like this. Okay, try to say something more to build your skills and to continue and carry on with your confidence and conversation. Now the last thing is that learn from your mistakes. Of course, once you have learned, you tend to make a certain mistake. Work on getting rid of it. With every coming day, your English is going to improve immensely. Believe in yourself. Do not ever give up. All right. And one extra tip that I want to give you is practice tongue twisters. Like if you want to excel in pronunciation, if you want to excel in fluency, practice tongue twisters. It could be fun also. You can practice it with whosoever is there around you, right? All right, so all the best. Please subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates of my videos. See you next time.